What up, YouTube? This is your president, the presidential tourist, back with another video. Got something a little bit different, a little cool to show you. I'm a huge fan of Rick and Morty. It's such a funny show. If you know what it is, it's an animated cartoon show. I wouldn't exactly say it's for younger children. It's more for adults. But it has a lot of raunchy humor and stuff in there. But anyways, I picked up this sock set. It was at Walmart. I normally don't get these longer socks. I normally prefer the shorter ones, but it was Rick and Morty themed. It was so cool. I thought, you know what, I'll make an exception, get them, and I'll actually wear these. But look, this was like 10 something, I believe. I had different other themed ones, but when I seen it was Rick and Morty, I thought, oh, I had to get it. Of all these different kinds. So I'm going to pull these out and show them to you. Let's see, hopefully I can do this without like butchering the box too much. I doubt I'll keep the box, even though it's kind of cool looking. I actually have too much stuff. I have to start, how do we say, eliminating some things. But I'm not sure how much interest this will have. I thought, you know what? It's cool. I'm going to show it. Look at this. Awesome. Okay, good. These easily going to slip out. Oh, yes. Here's the first one. This is basically Pickle Rick, a pickle version of Rick. I said these are longer, but I think the heels will be about here, so not too long. Look how cool that looks. That's such a funny episode. Here's Mr. Meatseek. That's how you say his name. I won't bother getting into who exactly he is, because that's kind of complicated. But look at that. And then, this character's name escapes me at the moment. He's also a funny dude. That is cool. I like the color. First I thought this was supposed to be Summer, but I think these are actually Jerry, which makes more sense. If you look at the character Summer and Jerry, they actually have the exact same face, from what I've been told, even though their hair is totally different, and it just makes them look so different because of that. Whoops. Cool. And this is different versions of basically Rick. Look how cool that looks. Awesome. And I thought this was just Rick, but it looks like this last one is both Rick and Morty. That's cool. It's a funny show. I thought Family Guy was probably the more raunchiest show you could have, or South Park. I think this kind of has a beat, or pretty close to it. But Rick and Morty is a very funny show. I definitely don't recommend it for younger children. There's a lot of raunchy sexual humor and stuff like that. And of course, even average cartoons has a lot of violence in it. This definitely has violence in it. So, but that's this. Rick and Morty, this is 6-pair casual crew. This is for they have different sizes, but I just wanted to show that it is awesome looking. I may keep this part of the package as one piece because it's a cool picture of them. But okay, if you have any comments or questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye everybody. Bye. Alright, let's get on to the next one.